Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. These are the Cole Hand men's sneakers, men's leather sneakers. Guys, I've been looking for a sneaker that's kind of a dress shoe also. I think I found it in these shoes, guys. You've got the leather on the top. Here's the name brand, the logo of Cole Hand. I mean, guys, this shoe is just it's soft to the touch. It feels good on your feet. Here's the Cole Hand logo on the back of the sneaker here, and I think that's really nice, a really nice design right there. And guys, I tell you what, these shoes are really comfortable. I'm the type of person if my toes can't wiggle inside of my shoe, then they're not the shoe for me. And here's how they look on my feet. Guys, I tell you what, these are the most comfortable uh, shoes, casual shoes that I have ever purchased. Guys, give these shoes a try. I mean, they are really nice. You guys, that's your review. Make it a great day.